Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello pupils, you are all welcome to yet another edition of your favorite program, The Classroom in Your House. It is a program being organized by CTY International Group of School, Ibadan. Happy listening. Class teacher, Akinpelu N.A. Subject to be taught, mathematics. Topics, indices. Once again, indices. By definition, what is indices? By definition, what is indices? Indices are the powers of numbers. Once again, indices are the powers of numbers. It is singular form is called index. It is singular form is called index, which means power of a number. Which means power of a number. Some numbers can be written in mathematical shorthand if the number is the product of repeating numbers. Let me quickly cite an example. Look at this first example I want to cite here. 100. You know that 100 is the product of 10. That is 10 times 10. When we multiply 10 times 10, it is equivalent to 100. By index form, how many times can we see in 100? 10 times. That is twice of 10. It means 10 raised to power 2. That 2 is the power, while that 10 is the base. So let us move to another areas. Look at this one now. 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 6. 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6. 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 6. 2 to the power of 6. Let us quickly cite examples. Look at the first example is under the index law 1. Index law 1 say a raised to power x times a raised to power y. A raised to power x times a raised to power y in mathematical expression, particularly under the index form. When we are multiplying two numbers, you look at the base and power of it. Once the base are the same, it means you turn multiplication to addition by virtue of index law. The multiplication law states that when you multiply times, you add the powers. When you multiply times, you add the power. That is a raised to power x times a raised to power y. Both a in x and a in y, they are in the same base. They are in the same word. So what we need to do is just to pick only one a there. That multiplication will now turn to plus. We now add x plus y together, meaning that a x raised to power x plus y. That is our answer. Let us quickly cite examples that involve real numbers. Look at the first question here. 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5. Once again, 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5. The first question here says 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 5. The base there is 2. We just need to pick only 2. Since the index law says when we have multiplication, automatically it will turn to plus. So far they have the same base. Therefore, 2 raised to power 3 plus 5. 2 raised to power 3 plus 5. Our answer will now be 2 raised to power 8. Another example here, 3 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 7. Both 3 in the two questions are in the same base. That is 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 7. So what we need to do just to take 3 as a base. So the power of it, 4. Since multiplication in that index law turn to plus, so it will now be 3 raised to power 4 plus 7. Our answer will now be 3 raised to power 7 under the first law of index. By virtue of index law 1, multiplication will turn to addition. Let us quickly go to index law 2, which says a raised to power x divided by a raised to power y. Under this, division law states that when you divide times, you subtract the powers. When you divide times, you subtract the power. What does that mean? It means when we have the same base, so far we have division in between the two. That division will now turn to minus. Power of it, we will now subtract the first power from the second power. What do I mean? A raised to power x minus y. So let me just cite a real question now that involve real numbers now. 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power 4. Since 2 there are in the same base, they are in the same form. So what we need to do is just to pick only 1, 2. Raised to power of 6. Division will now turn to minus. 2 raised to power 6 minus 4. it is going to give us 2 raised to power 2. It is going to give us 2 raised to power 2. This is the convenient point for our today's lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As usual, our assignments will be on our assignment platform. Make sure you check it. I'll be expecting your questions on it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.